Morning, Kate. How are you today? Can I have a black and white coffee? And I'll go for the HP5, please. Thank you.
Alex, would you like it pulled or pushed?
I'll go for the box speed.
Sure. Would you like regular or large?
Large. Higher resolution, please. Good food outlet. Best coffee in town.